Hi, shalom everyone. I'm over here in Neve Shamir, an area here in the city of Shemesh, Ramat Shemesh to be precise. Let's check out some scenes. There's an extravaganza over here in Neve Shamir as we get ready now for BaOmer. Let's check this out, friends. Some scenes over here. There's going to be a large bonfire. Actually, it was a bit larger before. It's in an area called Neve Shamir here in Bet Shemesh, like a newish area over here. They've got a bouncy castle also. So you can see this a proper it's in the area of Neve Shamir, friends. Look, it's still early, so technically people haven't even done a bit yet. But I've already been to Mishkafayim this evening. They're already preparing all the bonfires in Mishkafayim. It's absolutely buzzing there. Now over here, I think in Nachal Dolev, in Masat Mordechai, there's an annual bonfire also in the synagogue. I think there's something going on in an Avat Shalom synagogue also, towards Nachal Lachish. There's just some scenes of Ramat Bet Shemesh, Neve Shamir, here in the city of Bet Shemesh, friends. I'm not sure if there's a barbecue per se here. I think they've got ice cream here. There's a bouncy castle here, and it's by a beautiful park over here. I was just in Mishkafayim about 20 minutes ago. There was barbecues and a lot of things going on there, and it looks like there's going to be a lot of action over here also. There's a proper atmosphere over here. 33rd day of the Omer over here. You can see the fire at the moment. There's a proper good atmosphere. Yes, it's the 33rd day of the Omer at the moment. This is a park where we're at the moment. You can see it's absolute buzzing. And there's a proper bouncy castle, friends. Naturally, the Omer itself, the Sfirat Omer, is going to finish on the 49th day at the time of the festival of Shavuot. So this is always a nice break. We had Pesach Sheni 4 days ago. That's the 14th of Iyar it would have been, naturally. And also, there's a lot of different festivals in the month of Iyar. We had Yom HaZikaron, obviously a solemn day. That was on the 4th of Iyar. The 5th of Iyar was Yom HaTzmaut. And in 10 days' time, will be Yom Yerushalayim also. So a lot of important days in the Jewish calendar as this month progresses. People are putting things on bonfire. There's just some scenes over here in Neve Shamir, beautiful area. In fact, in some of the apartments over here, you can actually see views of where David and Goliath actually fought. It's their bouncy castle, and it's in this street over here. You can see the Israeli flag flying, and the buildings are up here in Neve Shamir, and everything's buzzing over here. I'm gonna travel around tonight to different places, and yeah, incredible. So wishing you all a fantastic BaOmer, friends. Leave you with some final scenes here. Let's see if we can zoom in into the bonfire. Wishing you all a fantastic day, friends. Here from Neve Shamir. Amazing, amazing.